What's going on, family? So now I'm at the stage where we're about to start cleaning it up. Got some more DAN to do to it, but it's pretty much good. Just a couple more things to do to it to get it smoothed out. He's gonna be DAing the top of it to get it, to its finishing stages. But it's pretty much done, fam. And that's what we're doing here, building custom furniture. From dining tables to comforts tables to custom desks. That's what we're doing, family. Custom furniture. This is the arc entryway. Very nice. These are some table legs. Custom furniture, handmade in the U.S. Handmade, man. Handmade furniture. Hold on.